Hello my beautiful friends, it is Christina Marie here with the POPSUGAR must-have beauty kind of lifestyle subscription box. It's a very heavy box. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty box reviews, unboxings, tutorials, and occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel hits 100 subscribers, which is going to be fairly soon, we are going to be giving away free beauty products. So make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned. Your odds are going to be great for that. If you are new to POPSUGAR, it ships out quarterly for $75. The retail value of the box is over $300, and you can either pay the $75 each quarter, or you can sign up for a year for 4 boxes and only pay $278, saving you at $30 total. I do have a link down below if you're interested in checking them out. If you do use my link, it does save you $20 off your order. So let's dive into this very heavy box. I'm going to open it up as I got stuff falling out at me. It says, happiness delivered, POPSUGAR here. Your products are all in here. I'm just going to set that down. And the two things that fell out are 2 cards, one of which shows you 15 to 25% off of the different companies who have put products here in the box. And then this other one just talks a little bit about each of the products and has retail values in here as well. This is my first POPSUGAR box, so it's a brand new subscription to me. So I am super excited. So the first item here on top is this gym bag by Vooray. It's fairly large size. It's got a pocket here with ventilation. So it has a pocket to keep your shoes separate from the rest of your clothes and everything. And then it also has a pocket here on the front, as well as your pocket on the inside, and it has a separate spot for your phone. And there is also even a couple different mesh pockets here on the back. So what this is the Burner Gym Duffel Snow Hex Camo. It's the name of the print here on it. Gym duffel bag retails for $49.99. Says the duffel is the multitasker bag. It's great for workouts, commuting, or weekend trips. The design includes a separate ventilated shoe pocket as well as a padded front pocket for your smartphone. Magnetic handles keep all your belongings safely together. The adjustable shoulder strap allows you to customize how you wear the bag. High functionality and yet so easy to use. It will motivate you to get out on the go. And I am going to be traveling next week to visit some colleges for my son's, he's a junior in high school, and so he's got to go out and visit a bunch of colleges, figure out which one he loves. We're doing that kind of in the western United States. We're hitting 7 of them, and then also talking to some coaches. And we're flying, and I think that this will be perfect as a carry-on. So we have a T3 smooth paddle brush. Kind of looks like that. Does retail for $35. And let me just open this here. So it's really large. Look at this. So what it says about this one, it has nylon, first off, it has nylon heat resistant bristles to detangle and gently smooth hair. And it also has a soft grip handle, allows for better control and effortless styling. Treat your tresses to the best brush on the market. Nylon bristles and a cushioned paddle brush body join forces to detangle and smooth your hair, no matter if it's wet or dry. This nylon handle makes sure you have better control while you style all your locks. You'll appreciate the heat-resistant bristles won't be easily damaged when used with a blow dryer. The design is a total game changer. So here's this. I can't brush my hair or it'll go. So, and I just run my fingers through it when I'm done showering. So I'm going to pass this one along. So we have a product by Osea. It's their Ocean Cleanser Mineralized Balance. It's like this. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's pretty heavy. It's 5 ounces. And put a fresh face forward this spring with an indulgent and effective cleanser. The organic seaweed cleansing gel gently removes surface impurities, excess oils, while maintaining a hydrated, healthy-looking complexion. Lime, cypress, and juniper energizes skin to wake up. So you're ready to take on the day. Retails for $44. Let's just give this a little sniff here. It is, it has like a sweet scent to it. You could, it's almost like a sweet lime, almost like a key lime pie type of smell to it. So I can't wait to put this into my rotation. So here we have this really pretty, there you go. It is a sterling silver Kris Nation's Opalescent Moon necklace. Retails for $68. This delicate necklace is perfect for a layering piece with a touch of personality. Kris Nations wanted to make a special design that's unique, dreamy, and beautiful. The moon shaped represents gentleness, sensitivity, compassion, and connection with others. Whether you opt for gold or silver, this lovely necklace will be your new go-to. And obviously I got the sterling silver one, and that is really pretty. I don't think the opalescence is showing up very well, but it's gorgeous. So here's a product I think is going to really work for me. It is the Missio styling cream, and this retails for $26. And what it says is once you get your hands on this product, you'll carry it with you everywhere for frizz-free, blow dry. This cream will allow you to style hair effortlessly. Use it to smooth, control frizz, and add volume, thermal protection, and shine to your style. This formula includes an antioxidant-rich extract, blends with acai, pomegranate, kiwi, mangosteen, and green tea. It's the perfect bottle to toss in your gym for easy styling on the go. Obviously my hair can get out of control really easy. I think this I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. So I am a girl who kind of likes to use headbands to keep my hair out of my face. They did include a black one in here. It is by Manduka. It retails for $4. It is a 4-inch headband, and what you do is keep your hair out of your face with a cotton headband that our fitness gurus are obsessed with. The no-slip design means it'll stay put without any adjusting throughout the day. Consider this your new favorite hair accessory. So, let's see here. Kind of helps cover up my little gray roots that are starting to show through. Look at how pretty this clock is, you guys. It says here, your time is now. And this is by Anna, New York. It retails for $85. And it's a sleek, modern clock, seamlessly works with any style of decor. The Lucite base looks great in any office, bedroom, or living room. Etched at the bottom of this clock, you'll see your time is now. And we truly believe it's the seize the day and stay on schedule with this sweet gift to yourself. This is so sleek and so beautiful. So here is a product I can literally sink my teeth into. I've heard that POPSUGAR always puts a snack inside their boxes, and so this is by Truwomen. It is their Daydreaming about Danona's plant-fueled protein bar. Do you get adrenaline rush when you see a hot donut light in a store window? Good news. Kind of looks like a Krispy Kreme donut to me on here. Good news. You'll love the protein bar that's only 200 calories, made with pure ingredients like cassava, brown rice, and roasted almonds. This bar is ideal for people on the go. It tastes so good, you'll forget it's not really a donut. I am going to throw this in my little carry-on when I take off next week. So this does retail for $2.79. So all the stuff kind of came here in here, and then there is this bonus section here, and what it says, can I see it there, is P.S. There's more. Open this flap to reveal this month's special extras. These items are bonus free gifts for you to try in addition to the curated contents in this box. So I wonder what's down here. Do they always do that? For those of you who've got this box before, do they always send bonus items? Looks like there's 2 items in here. And the first one here is the Yogi Green Tea Passion Fruit Matcha. I've liked a lot of the green teas before, so I am anxious to try this. This is sip the bright and delightful blend to support your overall health. Green tea and matcha green tea supply antioxidants, while passion fruit and plum flavor add light fruity notes to the invigorating blend for a tea that's both delicious and beneficial. The best of both worlds. I love a good tea at the end of a day, so I think I'm gonna love this. So the last item in here is by Sensodyne. It is their Pronamel Repair toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention. It actively repairs weakened enamel, and it is in extra fresh. And what this one says, if you want a healthy, bright smile, Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair helps actively repair acid-weakened enamel with twice daily brushing. Acids in your everyday diet, like berries, wine, and tomatoes, can weaken your teeth over time, causing teeth to look yellow or dull. This toothpaste derived vital minerals deep into the enamel surface to help repair damage. Consider it your new go-to toothpaste. I'm actually on the lookout for a new toothpaste, and because it helps with the acid repair, I think that I am going to have it be really beneficial to me. I've had a hiatal hernia since my son was born, and so sometimes the acid can come up, and I've had problems with my back molars because of it. So I am anxious to give this one a go. So the total retail value of this box is $314.78. I have kind of mixed feelings about this box. I signed up for it because there were items that were in the December box that I absolutely loved, and so I signed up for this. I mean, I want to give a box a new subscription a couple times to make sure, hey, is it just one off that I didn't like? Maybe I'll like the rest. So we shall see. I did like the clock and the necklace, and I just wish that there were more beauty items in it as well. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you do subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.